How to get Amazon affiliate link for a specific product on Amazon. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get Amazon affiliate link for a specific product. So let's get started. So first, go to Google and then search for Amazon affiliate. After that, go to the first link, amazonaffiliate.amazon.com. After that, on the top right corner, click on the bar icon. Now on the right panel, you will see a tools section. Just click on that. Now go to SiteStripe. After that, click on Learn More. Now on the bottom, on the display, you can see it's currently enabled. If you see disabled, then you should make it turn on. After that, go to Amazon.com. Now search for a product. Navigate any specific product. Now on the top bar, you can see extra bar, and then you can see Get Link option. Just click on Get Link. Now you will see a short link for the specific product. Just copy the link. After that, you can use this link anywhere. And that's how you can do that. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.